Hi everyone. Today I'm painting a dreamy Genie illustration using watercolors. I'll be blending soft washes, adding vibrant details, and bringing this magical character to life step by step. So grab your paints, relax, and let's start creating together. We start by drawing the head of the Genie and the hand. I'm first doing a gesture drawing that from where to which place the line goes. And I'll attach this thing here. This tail kind of thing that we have formed with wavy lines is going to be the beard of the Genie, this way. Next, add the nose, eyes and eyebrows of this Genie. Add a feather at the center of its head over here. Make a circle for its birthplace, and over here draw the feather this way, and from here I make a line like this for its head stuff. He's wearing a turban on its head, and we draw its ears as well. Draw a line like this for the neck portion and the hand portion as well. Make a striking curve like this. From the other end also you draw the hand. It's like the Genie is floating in the air, coming out of the magical lamp, and he's standing there with folded hands. Now draw a line like this for the body portion and draw the lamp over here. Make a line this way and make the top portion of the lamp first, connecting it with the Genie's bottom portion. After you are done with the basic shape of the lamp, you add details over it. Once you're done with the sketch, take your eraser and lighten up the pencil lines. And now we will start with the watercolor part. I'm going to use purple color, and first I will add color in the background like this. Make sure you're using middle tone of this purple color. It is kind of like red purple. It is also known as magenta, and if you do not have this shade, you can mix a little bit of crimson and cobalt blue. That is the pinkish kind of red and blue color. Just make sure that pinkish red is a little bit more in quantity. That will give you this kind of hue, this kind of reddish color, reddish purple. Use a big brush for the big areas, and when you come towards the detail area, you can switch to a small brush and paint it. Once you are done with the background, let it dry, and after it's dry, we will work on the Genie. Now take French ultramarine color and add it over the Genie for the body color, that is the face and the color of the body, hands. If you have any other blue, you can use that as well, but French ultramarine is the true color of the Genie that we see in the cartoons. Once it's dry, I'm adding another layer of French ultramarine color to give it this dark inky blue color. It is very similar to the one that we have seen on the screen. Once you're done with that, take dark yellow color, that is yellow ochre, and add it on the turban of this genie. Next, I'm using this dark bluish black color and I will be adding the beard of the genie with this. Take black color, mix a little bit of French ultramarine in it and use it for this portion. Next again, take yellow color and add it on this portion of the hand. If you're done with that, at the center of this thing, you will add red color. Next, take yellow color and color the lamp. Using bright red color, not the pinkish red color, but the bright red color. Use that color for this feather portion of the genie. We will also use the same color for adding details on the lamp as well. It is the same red color that we used on the hands as well. It is not the pinkish red, but the bright red color. You again take black color and add a little bit of French ultramarine in it and use it for the eyebrows. Also add another layer of this color on the beard of the genie. Now once you're done with it, take a black marker and outline everything that you see on the paper, everything you ran your pencil through. Once you're done with the outlining, take a purple sketch pen and add swirls in the background like this. Now using the black marker, I'm also making the mouth of the genie and we will slowly remove the masking tape. And that's it. We are done with this picture.